Hi everyone, welcome to another Tooltip Tuesday. Today I just want to quickly go through our auto stick or white stick feature in Toolroom and then just give you a quick overview of how that can save energy during production. Our white stick feature, auto stick feature, is found in the Dresser software. So most of you will have this Dresser button on Toolroom there. If we open that, it brings open the Dresser software itself. In here you can see all your wheels that are loaded into your machine, cell in this case, and from there we can determine the dressing in this software, but also as for today we will be looking at the auto sticking feature. If we go into that, you can see you can input the parameters for the white stick itself. You can add multiple sticks. For example, might be 2 sticks in a MX machine. You might have up to four in a TX7 machine. We can load default geometries. We can save defaults. We can change whether it cleans the stick or not. So the wheel comes through the stick and cleans it up. We can determine how the stick will plunge into the wheel. Whether it cleans the front, back, all those sort of things can be determined. It's a nice feature to have, and by regularly sticking the wheel, you can save energy. So the stick can be applied at regular intervals, or it can be applied as per a spindle load, for example. So if we add in an operation here, dressing, dress wheel, okay. We go into the dress wheel, we can see here stick wheel 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can add some parameters for how it might stick the wheel here. The benefits of sticking the wheel are that it can reduce energy consumption. So I've got some graphs here where I've done some energy testing. So we can see here the spindle load goes up, and it keeps climbing. Here you might say I'll trigger it 15%, and then the stick comes in, cleans up the wheel, and you can see just after the sticking procedure, it's dropped that energy consumption right down. It's almost half in that case. It's reduced the spindle load by 7%, which is roughly half. You can also see the total energy used by the machine here. So we can see it's as a factor of the overall machine energy usage. It's not as big a jump as the spindle itself, but as it climbs up, then we introduce the sticking here, and we've dramatically reduced almost 35% in this case, and you get a few more cycles out of it at a reduced energy usage. So by regularly dressing and cleaning your wheel, you can help reduce energy consumption of the machine. As you can see here, applying the stick doesn't use a great deal of energy, so it's a small sacrifice in cycle time, if anything, not so much cost of energy. And eventually, you can work out the right cycles, the right amount of times to stick your wheel and keep it clean and refreshed. So good luck with the sticking feature, and hope to see you next time. Thanks.